As the cost of structural steel keeps climbing, the impact of reducing the quantity of supports can impact your bottom line. By using Eaton's B-Line series cable ladder, you can reduce the structural steel supports required, which can completely offset the cost of the cable ladder system altogether. The B-Line series cable ladder system is engineered to eliminate structural steel supports and provide more flexibility around placement of the support locations, all while maintaining the structural integrity of the system. This is accomplished by incorporating a number of features, including I-beam side rails for increased strength, splice plates that enhance structural integrity and allow for proper thermal expansion, as well as fitting design and use of tangents to maximize strength at fitting locations. All of these features result in a superior cable ladder system that allows customers to minimize their total installed cost by significantly reducing the number of structural steel supports. To help explain how this works, let's take a closer look at some key installation methods, starting with cable ladder straight sections. Traditionally, the industry's minimal support span interval is 3 meters. However, through Eaton's engineered I-beam design, the B-Line series straight sections allow for the structural supports to be spaced up to 6 meters with steel cable ladder and up to 12 meters with aluminum cable ladder, reducing the number of required supports by up to 75%. In addition, Eaton has created recommendations for its B-Line series fittings that fully comply with and exceed NEMA VE2 support recommendations. Our systems feature industry-leading 75mm to 100mm tangents that are specifically engineered to help maximize strength and carrying capacity of the complete system. Depending on the fitting being utilized, the installer can save up to 75% on support costs. For horizontal bends, if a ladder support is placed within 600 millimeters of each splice point, a fitting support is not required. If a support is dedicated to the fitting, then the allowable range for a ladder support near the splices increases from 600 millimeters to 3 meters. For horizontal crosses and horizontal tees, supports for the fittings, normally 3 to 4, are not required if a support is placed within 600 millimeters of each splice point. Also, if supports are dedicated to the fitting, the B-Line series cable ladder system only requires 2 supports for the fitting, and the allowable range for ladder supports near the splices increases from 600 millimeters to 3 meters. For vertical bends, the B-Line series system requires the use of only 1 support per fitting, rather than the 2 recommended by NEMA. This single support can be placed at any point along the fitting. In a typical industrial cable ladder application, multiple runs are utilized which increase the support layout complexity. In this specific example, 3 runs of cable ladder make a 90-degree horizontal change in direction, requiring a minimum 7 support per NEMA VE2. Utilizing B-Line support recommendations, the number of supports can be reduced to 3, resulting in lower cost and lower installation complexity. Next, let's review how Eaton splice plates and engineered I-beam provide proper support and superior flexibility throughout the system. NEMA VE2 recommends to support the adjustable splice locations within 600 millimeters of each splice location. With Eaton's B-Line series vertical adjustable splice plates, managing elevation transitions are simplified by eliminating supports on the inclined section of cable ladder. The vertical adjustable splice plates are designed to maintain the maximum load classification of the series of cable ladder utilized across the unsupported spans. Depending on the series utilized, inclined spans between vertical adjustable splices can range from 3 meters up to 6 meters. Lastly, Eaton's B-Line series patented heavy-duty expansion splice solution is designed to eliminate supports and allow for proper thermal expansion with the cable tray system. The performance of the heavy-duty expansion splice, available in both steel and aluminum versions, complies with and exceeds NEMA VE2 support recommendations by eliminating the need to install 2 additional supports at every expansion location. Integrated sight windows allow for proper gap setting during installation, helping reduce installation errors. By utilizing B-Line series completed cable ladder system, Composed of straight sections, fittings, and enhanced splice plates, customers can significantly reduce the number of structural steel supports while maintaining the system's structural integrity and exceeding industry standards. To see additional details on all of the recommendations, calculate your own savings, or schedule a technical training session, please visit eaton.com/SSS.